Okay, so welcome to the 10th episode. I think it's 10th episode maybe. So today's question is 459. So repeat the question is repeated substring pattern. So let me minimize my video. Okay, let me this much. Okay, so yeah, repeated substring pattern. So input will be given as a string and return true if we can form the same string using its substring. That is like the string is ab, so we can create ab using ab, right? That is, we can like use ab twice and we can form ab, that is this test. And in case of this, we cannot form this because like what substring can be formed, can be formed using aba? Like we cannot form this aba using a ab or just a. No, we can form, or just b, or just ba. We cannot form like the string using its substring, so it's false. And here we can form abc, abc, abc. So abc is a substring and we can form this entire string with the its substring, right? So we have this simple problem. Let me explain the code. I have written the code already. It is a simple solution. So I have taken the length as L as the length of the string. Okay, and for I is equal to 1, I is less than L by 2. That is, I need to check until here. Suppose my string is this much, so I have to check until here. So my string is this much, and so const substring dot slice. So this slice will go from the 0th index to the ith index, right? So which one is the ith index? So initiate me show what I am doing here. So I can take text here. ABC, ABC. I took this text. Okay, so my what I am doing here is like yeah, I am taking this as a substring, and adding like multiplying this, and suppose this is my new variable as a repeated element. So this is my substring a. So I am adding this, and I am adding this, like there are like nine elements, so I'm adding 9 times a, right? I'm adding 9a. So at the end, what I will get is a, a, a 9 times, right? So, and at the end I will check whether this equals what, the initial string, right? Does it equal? No, it is not equal. It is not equal. So what will I do is, now take the substring as ab. Okay, and I will add ab until this much. So ab, 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 ab. So I have to, it matches this, and I will check whether it is equal to the string. No, it does not equal. So what I will do is, take the next iteration, go to the next iteration, and take c also. Take c and take c here, and add c again, and add c again. So what will I get is a b c, ABC 3 times. Okay, ABC. So I got this 3 times, and now I will check whether these two strings are equal. Yes, these two strings are equal. So what will I do is return it as a true, right? So what I am doing here is I am running this loop until length by 2, that is strings length by 2. So the substring will be less than what? Less than this, right? Suppose the strings length is 10, so its substring has to be like less than or equal to 5, right? Because it can't like 6 into 2, if a substring has to repeat twice, it exceeds the limit, right? So if we take the substring length is 6, then 6 plus 6 is 12, so it can't be true, it can't be happened. So we have to take until 5. That's the reason we have taken this L by 2, and const substring is equal to slice by 0 to I. That is what I am doing here. Like first I took 0 to I, that is I is 0 initially, and second iteration I is 1, third iteration I is 3, right? So yeah, that is what happening here is, and I am taking the substring and repeated is initially 0, and here I am adding suppose my this is A, B, C, A, B, C, A, or I can take okay. So initially like repeated equals to repeated plus substring. So initially my slice will be A, only A, right? Slice will be A. So what will be here is A, and J is less than L by I. J is less than L by I. What is L? L here is 9. 9 by 0. No, sorry, 9 by 1, which is 9 itself. Okay. So it is repeating 9 times. I get the repeated 9. So it will check whether equals. So it is false, right? It is as simple as that. In the second iteration it will come AB. Here J by 2, J by I is L by I is L is 9, and 9 by I is 2, 9 by 2, which is 4.5, maybe 5. Okay. So whatever I get is AB. Okay, and it will check here and it will come false. The next iteration I will get ABC, and it will check ABC. Here 9 by, here I will get 9 by 3, which is 9, so which is 3. ABC, 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 and it comes here ABC. It will check it is true and it will return true. So that's it. It is as simple as that. Okay, yeah. So this problem can be solved by you itself. So let's see in the next